Hey, it's the Kembo of PubClub.com, and I was sent this box today by Federal Express, and I'm going to open it, and we'll see what's inside of it. Now, because of PubClub.com, where it says the world goes to party, what kind of stuff do you think I'll be getting? Fun stuff, travel stuff, and some very interesting things, and including this one says alcohol. That's right, I had to be here to sign for this, so there's something really cool inside here. So let me open it up, and let's see what was sent today to PubClub.com. By the way, like the setting here on the beach, you'd think it's alcohol has anything to do maybe with a beach setting. That would be cool. So, get out my trusty scissors here. Open it up. I'm being very careful because I don't want to harm anything that's inside of here. I'm so excited I can't even cut a straight line. So, here we go. Uh-oh, the wind's blowing. I don't want to blow all this. It's going to be snowing here at the beach soon. Woohoo! Oh my gosh, look at this. Holy cow. This is a gold mine. There's 1, 2, 3, maybe 4 bottles in here. Wow. Look at this. A gold mine. I'm gonna have to cut that. Look at this. Look at all this in here. Woohoo! See, when you get excited, you tend to get things, not do it in a perfect order. That's why I'm having trouble opening it. Boy, they packed it well too. Barcelo Dominican Rum, Gran Añejo. Oh, I have to try this out right now. Barrel aged. That is really good rum. Not as much went down my throat as you think because it has a cap on it. That is very, very good rum. I happen to like dark rum too. All right, well, is it some other varieties in here? Let's see. Thanks, by the way, to Miss Laura for being behind the camera. She's going to demand some of this rum in a minute, I have a feeling. As she should. Don't want to give it up, does it? Dominican rum, so añejo, so that's slightly different than this rum. Oh, that looks great. Settled in oak barrels, superior quality, distilled in the unique Dominican tradition. Beautiful. And let's see. Oh, this looks very. I lost my scissors. Miss Laura would get mad at me for losing the scissors. Just gonna have to use a key. So look at this. Fantastic. Where there's a will, there's a way. I even know people that I have a bottle opener on this, and I even know a guy that can open beer bottles with his ring, which is always felt pretty cool. So when we need to get to our sources, we can find ways. Oh my gosh, look at this. Wow. Let's line them all up here for a grand photo op. I'm still tasting that little taste of rum I have. That is just so good. It's lingering. It's good sipping rum. I can imagine it when I put it with some juices. It is fantastic. You can find these in the store, by the way, so go look at them. And if you happen to find a bar that has some good rums, then definitely try these out. And I'll be putting them to the full taste test on PubClub.com. So go to PubClub.com. I'll be tweeting about this on Twitter, showing pictures on Instagram, and maybe even doing more videos to show you the more pleasure that this beautiful rum provides us. I'm the Kevbo of PubClub.com, and I'm going to go make a rum drink now.